Welcome to the future of work, where building a freelance team is not just an option, but a strategic advantage. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to adapt and harness the power of freelancing can propel your business forward. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner, understanding how to assemble a successful freelance team is crucial. Let's start by exploring what freelancing really means in the modern work environment. Freelancers are independent professionals who offer their skills and expertise to multiple clients. They bring flexibility, diverse skill sets, and often a fresh perspective to your projects. Now let's dive into the steps of building your freelance team. First, identify the core tasks and projects that could benefit from freelance talent. This might include graphic design, content creation, or even specialized technical work. Clearly defining these needs will help you find the right freelancers. Next, it's time to source your team. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are excellent starting points. These platforms provide access to a vast pool of talent from around the globe. When reviewing potential freelancers, pay close attention to their portfolios, reviews, and rates. Once you've shortlisted candidates, conduct interviews to gauge their communication skills and reliability. It's important to establish a good rapport and ensure they understand your vision and expectations. With your team in place, managing them effectively is key. Set clear goals and deadlines, and maintain regular communication through tools like Slack or Trello. This not only keeps everyone on track, but also fosters a sense of teamwork and collaboration. Of course, building a freelance team isn't without its challenges. One common issue is time zone differences. To address this, establish overlapping working hours or use project management software that allows for asynchronous updates. Another challenge might be maintaining consistent quality. Regular feedback and performance reviews can help ensure your freelancers continue to meet your standards. As we wrap up, let's consider the benefits of a well-structured freelance team. You'll enjoy increased flexibility, access to specialized skills, and potentially lower operational costs. Plus, as you become more adept at managing remote talent, you'll find yourself more agile and ready to tackle new challenges. To conclude, building a freelance team is an empowering step towards embracing the future of work. With the right approach, you can create a dynamic team that enhances your business's capabilities and drives success. Start today and watch your vision come to life.